What's up, Banter fam? Welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Miles, and today I am going to be talking about one of the best decentralized exchanges in crypto, Apex Pro, and giving you guys a tutorial on exactly how to use the exchange, how to open trades, how to stake the Apex token, and talk about the Apex token and the ecosystem that they are building over at Apex. Super excited to get into this exchange because I think it's really cool and has some really awesome features. So let's get straight into it. Just before we get into the show, I want to remind you that Apex is an official sponsor of the show. So thank you, Apex, for sponsoring the show. And the reason we've partnered with them is because we believe they are offering one of the best decentralized exchange experiences in crypto in 2023, and they're only getting better with time. Since their first launch, we've seen them come out with multiple upgrades which have continuously made the platform better and better and better, and we expect that trajectory to continue going forward. So what is Apex Pro? Apex Pro is a permissionless, non-custodial and non-KYC derivatives DEX that operates on an order book model. The platform is secure, transparent, and very easy to use compared to some of its competitors. Apex is Bybit affiliated, as they were incubated by 𝗕𝗏𝗏 Labs and backed by names such as 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏 Ventures, Dragonfly Capital, M77, Tiger Global, and many more. Apex is quite unique as it's built on layer 2 utilizing ZK rollup. So it's built using StarkX's cryptographic proofs and Validium to secure and validate transaction batches. Via utilizing StarkX, the platform can be very fast and efficient, seeing very fast transaction speeds. It can process 10 trades per second and 1,000 order placements and cancellations per second. And I think the speed and usability of the exchange is really what sets it apart from other exchanges and makes it such a good experience to use. So before we get into exactly how to trade on Apex Pro, I want to run over some of the advantages of trading on a DEX versus trading on a centralized exchange. As you guys know, DEXs are non-KYC, meaning you don't need to fill out those forms and give up your identity to a centralized entity. The other thing is DEXs like Apex are non-custodial. That means you get to keep control of your own assets on your MetaMask wallet instead of having it with a centralized exchange. And we've seen over the past few months just what can happen when a centralized exchange has control of your funds. DEXs can typically offer lower fees than centralized exchanges as well due to their structure. So Apex's fees sit around 0.02% for the maker fee and a 0.05% taker fee, which is very competitive compared to other exchanges in the market. And there are also no funding fees or network fees like you'd get with a lot of centralized exchanges. But the overarching reason why trading on a DEX, in my opinion, is good, and one of the reasons why I like to trade on decentralized exchanges as well as a little bit in centralized exchanges for diversification, is because on a DEX, at the end of the day, it's your keys, meaning it's your coins, and you control what you do with your funds and when, and you secure your own assets, preferably in like a Trezor or a ledger so you can keep your assets safe, and you're not running the risk of any centralized party commingling funds or using funds for uses that you didn't actually specify. So let's run through how to actually trade on Apex Pro. And of course, to get started with Apex, the first thing you are going to need to do is to actually fund your account. Now, funding your account is pretty easy because they're compatible with many of the major wallets in crypto, for example, MetaMask. So what you need to do is connect your MetaMask wallet in the top right of the screen. You've got a choice between using the Ethereum network, BSC, Polygon, or Arbitrum. So for those that want to avoid the really high fees and slow wait times on Ethereum, you can go for the option of Binance Chain or Arbitrum, which I think are very fast. And all you need to do after you connect your wallet is sign 2 signature requests. So you'll see a little prompt that says approve connection. You want to approve that connection, add your email address if you want to receive information relevant to the market. If you don't, you can simply just trade using your wallet and you don't need to fill out any forms or anything. And then all you need to do is deposit from your wallet to Apex Pro. So in order to deposit, you will need USDC. So for example, if you're on the Arbitrum network, all you need to do is go to your Binance or your Bybit where you may have some USDC, and then simply withdraw that from your Binance or Bybit or a centralized exchange across to your MetaMask wallet. If you already have funds in your MetaMask wallet, you'll simply just need to have the USDC in the wallet that you're trading with on the network that you're trading with. And of course, you can bridge across to any one of these networks using a bridge, for example, the Synapse bridge. Once you have USDC in your wallet, you'll just need a little bit of gas in order to approve transactions. It's very, very small if you're using a layer 2 like Arbitrum or Polygon or BSC. It's a little bit higher if you're using Ethereum, where you'll need need to pay ETH gas fees. Note that the Arbitrum network uses ETH gas fees as well, so you need a little bit of your ETH in your Arbitrum wallet. On Polygon, you'll need a little bit of Matic. On Binance Chain, you'll need a little bit of BNB, but the amount of fees that you pay on these networks are very small. Now, once you've got funds in your wallet, you are ready to trade, and I want to run you guys through exactly how to open a trade. Just note, by the time you're watching this video, prices will likely be very different. So this isn't supposed to be a live trading scenario. This is simply a tutorial on how to trade on the platform. So you've got many trading pairs to choose from. They currently have 7 trading pairs, but they're adding many trading pairs every single month. So for example, if you want to open a Bitcoin trade, I think this is probably the easiest example. Let's say we want to market long Bitcoin. First, you need to add assets to the exchange. So you want to click deposit. Then you want to select the network that you're on. I like to trade on Arbitrum. Then you want to deposit USDC. You can also deposit ETH, USDT, or wrapped ETH. I want to deposit 200 USDC. So I enter 200, and then all I need to do is enable the transaction on my MetaMask wallet. So it will give me a little prompt. I simply click confirm. It's really that quick. It's that simple. You just press confirm deposit, and then you'll get a little prompt, pay a tiny bit of gas, 11 cents, hit confirm again, and then just like that, you have funds in your wallet. As you see, it was really fast to deposit funds because it's built on 𝗪𝗏𝗡. So it's super fast, using ZK rollups, using L2, much faster than some other exchanges. We click on market, then we want to adjust our leverage. So let's say I want to open a 10x leverage trade. You hit confirm. Let's say I want to do a $50 position. This will be the total position. So since I'm using 10x leverage, I'll enter 500, which will put up $50 of my collateral. Then what I do is I click either buy long or buy short. I want to long the market right now, for example. So I click buy/long. Once I click that, it will automatically open my trade here, and in the bottom left you can see positions. So let's say I want to add a take profit or a stop loss. I click on add, then I select at what point I want to take profit. Let's say I want to take profit at 25% gains, and I want to do this for all of my Bitcoin position. Then I want to enter a stop loss, so I simply click the percentage that I'm willing to give up on my stop. Let's say I only want to set a 10% stop. I click on 10%, and then I click confirm, and it will automatically add my take profit and stop loss. If you click on details, it'll show you where your take profit is, it'll show you where your stop loss is, and it will show you the exact price in which you want to trigger your stop loss and your take profit. Very important to add this as a risk management tool, and it's nice that Apex added this as a feature to allow us to take profit and a stop loss. So since I did a market order, the order is already long, but I want to show you what it's like to open a limit order as well. So you go over to limit. Let's say I want to use another coin now from their list of 7 coins. Let's say I want to short XRP. This is a funny one because XRP is a controversial coin. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm going to be shorting today, but I want to short on a limit order, and I only want to short using 5x leverage because I want to use less leverage, risk less capital. So I enter the price that I want to short at. So let's say I want to short XRP at this level at 0.42. I enter 0.42, and then I enter my order value. I'm willing to stake another $500. Since it's on 5x leverage, that means I am putting up $100 worth of capital. So I want to sell short, so I click sell short here, and in the active section, it will show my current order. So if we look here, we can see I have an XRP order at 42 cents, and it's not yet filled. So when XRP hits this price, then of course the order will fill. And whenever you want to take money out of the exchange, all you need to do is hit withdrawal. Let's say I want to take all my remaining capital off the exchange, and I want to withdraw my remaining $48. All I need to do is press confirm withdrawal, press here, and then it automatically withdraws back into my wallet from the Arbitrum network. So it's super easy to deposit, super easy to withdraw, and quick to do so. So that is how you open a trade on Apex. You can do this with any of the 7 trading pairs: long, short, adjust your leverage, adjust your take profit, and adjust your stop loss. And if you do want to trade on Apex, there is a link in the description to trade using my referral link, and that gives you access to a program that they have called Trade to Earn, which gives you an opportunity to actually earn money while trading. So I want to get into that right now. So essentially, Apex has 2 tokens. It has an Apex token, which is the governance or native token of the exchange, and then it has a BANA token, which is the reward token of the exchange. Now, the Apex token is used for community involvement over governance and protocol parameters. At the time of recording, it's sitting around the 30 cent mark. So it's currently available to trade on the Bybit and the DeFi protocol Uniswap. So if for some reason you think Apex is going to be a really big exchange in the future, one way to speculate on that growth would be to buy the Apex token. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice in this video. You have to do your own research, but that would be one way to get exposure to the Apex exchange. There's 77% of the total token supply allocated for participation rewards, ecosystem building, and liquidity bootstrapping, and only 23% allocated for the core team and early investors. Tokenomics wise, personally, I don't think this is a bad allocation at all. They're giving a lot back to the community as incentives to trade on the exchange. And then they have the BANA token, which is Apex's reward token. So remember when I said you could earn money just by trading on the Apex exchange? This is the token that you're going to be receiving for trading, and then you can also stake that token to earn yield. So let me show you exactly how that works, because I think one of the major reasons to trade on Apex, apart from its speed, apart from its low fees, apart from the fact that it is a DEX, is actually because you can earn money for trading, which is a pretty good deal if you ask me, because if you're going to be trading anyway, then it's good to do it on an exchange where you can actually earn yield. So if you head over to the T to E section here, which stands for trade to earn, switch over to the Ethereum network, you're going to see exactly how you can earn money just by trading. On this portal here, you're going to see a tab that allows you to claim BANA rewards if you haven't claimed them already. And as you start trading, you'll start accumulating these rewards. The more you trade in terms of dollar amount, the more rewards you will actually earn. And it shows you down here what your estimated rewards are based on your current trading. So this is how the trade to earn program works. For 52 rewarding weeks, so basically for an entire year, what they are going to do is give away millions of dollars worth of BANA rewards to the people that trade. Once you earn BANA for trading, it's then very easy to swap that BANA for USDC, which can then be used to stake in the pool to earn yield during those 52 weeks. So if you add BANA and USDC together to receive LP tokens, you can earn more BANA rewards. So it's very simple. Once you've claimed your BANA for trading, there'll be a claim button here. After each epoch, this epoch has 4 days to go, which is roughly each week they'll give out rewards. So in 4 days time, I'll be able to actually claim my BANA. So once you've claimed your BANA rewards, all you need to do is go down and click swap under manage pool. Then you can swap half of your BANA rewards for USDC. Once you swap them, so they're an even pairing of 50-50, you come over to manage liquidity. Then you can add an equal weighting of BANA and USD tokens together. Click approve, click confirm, and then you will have LP tokens of BANA and USDC. What this allows you to do is stake these tokens to earn yield. LP tokens held during an epoch will contribute to a trader's average LP token holdings, one of the factors that will eventually decide the total amount of BANA distributed at the end of each epoch. The more LP tokens held, the more traders can receive stacked total rewards in BANA. So if your goal is to earn BANA rewards, then it does make sense to add liquidity so you can get more rewards. That is if your goal is to stack BANA. If your goal is just to simply cash out as soon as possible, and make a quick buck on the trading side of things, then you can swap all of your BANA for USDC, and then you can use that money to do more trades. So it's totally up to you what you do with your tokens. I'm just giving you the option, if you did want exposure to the platform to earn yield, to actually stake those tokens as an LP. You've got a third option of actually holding the tokens. So if you hold onto your BANA rewards long term, you can then use them to redeem Apex governance tokens pro rata after the trade to earn event period. So after the event fully ends at the end of this year, then what you can do is essentially swap them into the Apex token at the end of the period. And the longer you hold, the better rate you're going to get on that swap. And also, the more BANA burnt, the higher the redemption rate, as over time, Apex is going to be actually burning BANA tokens. So that's what you can do with the rewards from the Trade to Earn program. In my opinion, it's pretty cool that you can actually earn money for trading, and they're giving out huge incentives, $10 million worth of incentives. So you could certainly make quite a bit of money here if you're a regular trader, and it's just a bonus that you can actually earn money whilst trading. And I think it's a really good initiative from the Apex team. But that is not the only form of staking on the platform. They also have staking for the Apex token. So if you do have the Apex token, you can stake it in their staking pool, which just launched in order to earn yield. Right now, the pool is paying 41.56%. So if you have Apex tokens, you simply come in and click stake, select the amount that you would like to stake, and then click approve, and then click confirm to earn yield on the Apex token itself. Then you will get rewards in exchange. Now remember, the longer that you lock Apex for, the more rewards that you're going to earn but it really depends on how liquid you want to be in terms of your Apex holdings. If you want to buy Apex, it's quite simple. There's literally a trigger to click buy Apex. Then you can click on the buy Apex token button, and you've got two options. You can buy it on Bybit as it's Bybit listed. Of course, Apex is Bybit affiliated, or you can click on Uniswap and purchase the token on Uniswap. With the trade to earn program, they're giving away $190,000 worth of tokens every single week, which is almost $10 million in total rewards. That is a big allocation towards the community that decides to use the platform. So that is my overview of Apex Pro. You get all the benefits from a decentralized exchange, the non-custodial aspect, the speed, the low fees, the capacity to earn in their trade to earn program, the capacity to stake, and also a pretty seamless and easy trading experience that you can do straight from your MetaMask. So if you do want to trade on Apex, once again, there's a link in the description to sign up to Apex Pro. All you need to do is click that link, deposit funds into your account, and you are ready to get trading. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.